So many people have asked me what can be done about the BJP. Uh, Political opposition needs to be questioning them and expecting the government to answer. I don't think this is going to be that simple. If you look at the overall profile of the behavior that we see, there's a lot of narcissistic traits, there's a lot of psychopathic traits. You are not going to find these people accountable. Accountability is not going to happen. There's a lot of recklessness, there is an inability to have empathy for the citizens, there is an inability to have a conscience, to feel remorse. Whether narcissists or psychopaths, you have these traits. And you're not going to be able to pin them down to answers. Simply demanding that the government should, say something about demonetization or about the pandemic or about the actions of China on India's border. Making those demands is not going to make the government do anything. And if you end up successfully cornering the government on, say, actions about China on the border, you may simply have the army being pressured into taking some or the other reckless action that the country ends up paying for. This is not a government that understands subtlety, diplomacy. It is not a government that understands the long view. It is a government of master strokes. And there isn't a lot that citizens can do about this other than seeing through it and voting the BJP out. So what we really need is a way to educate the citizens, to help them understand these dynamics being played out, and to help them see how media, how the manipulation of the country's attention, how random yanking around of the country with sudden proclamations, sudden announcements that have people rushing to do things that are not in their self-interest, how these things are harming the country, and to help them see that that the BJP is not going to change. It is a country that will have to change. It is a country that will have to decide where it wants to hand its power. It is like you'd advise victims of emotional abuse. You cannot be in a situation where you are being abused and also expect to change the abuser. No matter how much you complain, no matter how much you explain that the abuser's actions hurt you, as the victim, you have no power over the abuser. It is like that. If the government is acting against your wishes, what you can do is, bring someone else to power. You can resist. You can bring another party to power. What is not going to happen is simply nagging the government into behaving better. If you are able to force the government into a corner, being cornered by all the accusations, by all the pressure, what is going to happen is again some random masterstroke that is designed to distract the country, or it is some short-sighted action that does not quite pan out the way it was intended, the way it gets advertised. And down the line, you will again see this usual phenomenon of vulnerable Indians suffering with no real accountability for their suffering. So I don't think, politics is such that you will have accusations at the parties, you will have demands for the government to be accountable, to be transparent. You will have demands for various people to resign or to be removed from their jobs. But in reality, it is not going to change anything. You cannot have people with impaired reasoning to act in a reasoned manner. That's not going to happen. A broken clock is correct twice a day. Maybe the occasional government action makes sense. But you cannot expect a responsible government from reckless people. That is just not going to happen. And I think the country is at a point where unless we see this clearly, unless we help the masses see this clearly, we are at a point where, like the victim of any abuser, either you are able to exit that abusive relationship, which in this instance would be changing the people who are in power, or you end up being destroyed. We may actually reach a situation where a large part of the country is simply destroyed economically, socially, in terms of law and order. We already see this happening, and things are only getting worse, and things are not going to get better while we continue to expect irresponsible people to run things responsibly. It is not possible. It is like asking a blind man to see. It is not in their makeup. It is not within their abilities. It's not even about them not wanting to run the country properly. Of course they want to run the country properly. They have grand dreams. They want to showcase the prosperity they bring to the country and all that, but they do not have the ability. And it is high time the country recognizes it, or we are in a lot of trouble.